All right, so now I'm going to go over the Learning Materials and Assignments tab. So you will spend most of your time, almost all of your time this semester in this Lessons tab. So we click on the Lessons tab. Now this will be populated as the course progresses. I'll reveal more and more folders. But each week, if you refer to the calendar, okay, so you have Lesson 1, Lesson 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So it's pretty straightforward. Lesson 3, Lesson 5. So right now, Lessons 1 and 2 and 4 aren't revealed because you have to pass a quiz to open them up. But as we go throughout the semester, this will be opened up. So let's just go through a typical folder here. So here's your course introduction. So this is a little introduction to me, and then some videos that you go through for that for the course. Okay, so the first week you have an orientation quiz that you need to take, and then there's also an introduction discussion board, so you kind of get to know everyone in the class. If we go back, so here's kind of this is for non-renewable energy use. So this is lesson 5. So you can see there's a couple readings here, a couple of videos, and some short readings. So you might have a few videos and a couple readings each week. This is a little bit of a heavier week, but it's pretty typical. Then there'll be a PowerPoint. So there'll be a video lecture that I go over the highlights of all of these readings and other information. A link to the PowerPoint for that lecture. And then another video lecture. So again, this is one of the heavy weeks. And then you have a quiz most weeks, so you can actually click on the quiz. It'll take you to the quiz. And if there's a lab due that week, there's also a link to the lab. So like I said, for each week, it's everything that you need is in the folder. All the readings, all the videos, all of the assignments are all linked to in that folder. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, if you go to, I've posted all the PowerPoints. So, I'll go over these in videos, but then I'll actually post the PowerPoints from the videos here, so you have them as a reference. So if you want to go right to the assignments, all of the assignments are here. So we have our lesson quizzes. Again, I'll reveal some more of these quizzes as we go throughout the semester, but you can actually skip right to the quizzes if you want to. Now these are linked to in your lessons folder, right? So like for example, our course introduction has our orientation quiz. So if you click on the orientation quiz, it'll take you to the quiz. Okay. But you could also just go to the assignments folder and go right to the same orientation quiz. Okay, so there's any number of ways to get to the same assignment. Same thing, your labs are here. Okay, and then your other assignments. So there's a couple. Remember in the initial video, I went over have these short presentations on a tour guide and an energy source, and then you have a blog, and then a current event, and your final presentation. Okay, so that's your assignments tab. And then some supplemental materials. This is just stuff to help you out with the course content. So unit conversion chart, metric prefix chart, maps and various things. So I'll throw stuff in here as the course progresses. Okay, and that's it for this video.